St. John's, Newfoundland.
St. John's, Signal Hill, really rocks, uh-oh! St. John's, Signal Hill, really rocks, uh-oh!
You know, St. John's, Newfoundland is where the very first transatlantic wireless communication was received by Guglielmo Marconi, December 12, 1901. You know, that was his first fame, but then he went on to create a beautiful pasta dish with cheese. And that's why today's game we call...
Macaroni and cheese!
For macaroni and cheese. You're really, really hungry, but you've lost your phone in this mixture of cottage cheese and ketchup, so you can't dial out for it. So dive in, get your phone, and oh yes, after you've done that, style your hair with this lovely liquid Limburger girl because you want to look nice, like lovely delivery girl when she comes, and then get out of my kitchen.
Telecommunications reached its peak in the 80s when dairy products were introduced to the technology. Fiber optics? Ha! Well, this game harkens back to those glory days. You are to crawl underneath each of these internet providers, and while wedged under there, break open the virus balloons with your paddles. Once you've reached the last balloon, collect your email and go, go, go.
You know, British intelligence, MI6 to be exact, was instrumental in assisting Marconi with his communications and pasta recipes. That classified email you have details our involvement, ergo, it must be destroyed by covering it in powdered cheese and shoving it down your pants. Then get on your standard British issue Hop 66 and head for home base.
All right, let's find out who's played in today's game.
I'm Rocket Rod and this game's mine. I'm busting Brian and I'm busting competition. I'm jumping stool, I'm gonna win! Yeah!
All right, we're ready to go. You've seen the teams, now it's time to vote. If you choose right, 35 big points will be yours. If you choose wrong, no points will be yours, so make sure you choose right. And while they're voting, let's see what the Slime Tour players are playing for, huh?
Slime Tour winners bop to the beat with a Panasonic Shockwave portable CD player. Water resistant with 40-second anti-shock memory too, and complete with Panasonic power activator batteries. Groove to the beat with the Shockwave. Our runners-up are win one of these fabulous digital Roots timing athletic watches by Roots Time. With Y2K compatible styling, EO backlight, alarm, and chronograph, these Time Beam watches will take you into the new millennium.
All right, the votes are in left floor. Let's see who chose what. Well, red chose orange, green chose purple, and blue chose yellow. Hey, they're all different. Back to Sean and his ears to see who's right.
Here we go, big race. All right, here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, yellow gets a slip. And here comes these two athletes. Into the pool they go. Into the pool they go. Unbelievable. Here we go, they gotta go. It's gonna be exciting. They're gonna put all the goo on their head. Putting all their goo on their head. Unbelievable competition. Here we go, now they gotta go on their back. Go on their back and clap. Come on, he can do it, Orange. Who's gonna get it first? There it goes.
Just break it. Over your head, over your head, over your head. Use your paddle. Okay, Orange, get going.
There we go.
There you go. All right, good job.
There we go.
Use your hand now. Use your hand.
I don't know, yellow, orange.
Yeah,
use
good
your
job.
hands.
Yellow.
Who's gonna be first? He's
Squeeze
gonna
it,
take
get your email. Okay, yellow. Grab your email, go. Good job.
He's gotta take the email and off they go.
Left one, Orange. Squeeze it, go.
It's like SeaWorld. Yes. Here comes, you gotta come across. Gotta cross the big line. Bounce on it, bounce on it, bounce on it.
Somersault. Good job, yellow. Hey, who didn't choose yellow here? Well, red didn't choose yellow and green didn't choose yellow. No points for you, but blue chose yellow. 35 points for you. And going into the final round here on the standings, let's talk about blue moves up to 85 big points. Green's got 50 points, only 35 back, and red got 45 points. Hey, with trading spin on that wheel, it's anybody's game. So come on back to see who's going to win in round 3 right after this. Yeah.